Are you gonna explain what we're doing right now?
So what we are doing, we are taking all the leftover refrigerant and vacuuming it into this vacuum pump, and then it's going out this oil chamber. You gotta make sure to hold it, but don't cover it. Hold it, don't cover it. And then you wait. Once this dips below, oh, the whole system's messed up. Once this dips below 1,000, anywhere from 500 to 1,000. We want the 500 because that means this tank is depressurized like an MF. And that's it.
That's it. Thank you.
Subscribe.